Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of Nothing Phone 2a Plus with box accessories overview. So as you can see, that's how the box looks. Right here we can find the device name, the same right here. On the left side we've got nothing marking, and on the right side there is nothing, only the phone design. And now to open the box we have to actually remove this part. There we go. Here we can find the second box, and let's take a look what we can find inside. First of all, we get this short preview from Nothing. Welcome to Nothing. The phone actually comes with the foil. On the back we can find serial number, IMEI numbers. What doesn't mean that we can find here two SIM card slot. So now let's go inside. There we go, that's how it looks. It looks a little bit different from the Nothing Phone 2a without the plus. It looks beautiful. I really enjoy the design from the Nothing company. On the right side we can find power button. So let's click and hold it. We will turn on the phone. Yeah, we can feel gentle vibration, Nothing logo. Powered by Android, and on the screen we can also find the screen protector. Take a look. This is the thin foil that protect our device from scratches. On the left side we can find two separate volume buttons. At the top we can find microphone. At the bottom we can find speaker, USB-C port, another microphone, and there is the SIM slot. So let's open it. Let's check if we can find here a memory card slot. No, as you can see we can input two SIM cards. There's no memory card slot. And now let's go and take a look for some other box accessories. So as you can see we can find here dedicated USB-C cable with a Nothing logo. Especially you will be able to find it right here. So this is the double USB-C cable, and right here we can also find user manual. There is unfortunately no cable, no charger inside. And right here we can also find SIM tool. There we go. So yeah, that's how it actually looks. This is like all accessories that you can find in this device. And that will be all for this video. If you are looking for some features, like the best features of this phone, some tips and tricks, or some other videos, then I can highly recommend you to visit to my channel, because you will actually find a lot of different videos. So that will be all for this one. Thanks for watching.